Okay, the second part of this that I want to do is talk about shared folders. So we're going to go deal with shared folders for a minute, and then we'll come back and deal with the network bridge. If you recall, way back at the beginning of this series, I talked about how I had on my system, I had already set up a shared directory, and I put in stuff in here that I wanted to deal with inside my system. This shared folder is not accessible outside of my local machine. It's not shared on the network as a shared network resource, but what I want to do is share it within the virtual machine. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to go to my Sun VirtualBox, and I'm going to go to my Virtual Media Manager, and I'm going to go to new. I'm having a stupid attack. Let me hit OK and get rid of that. I'm going to come to settings for my machine. Sorry about that. And I'm going to come down here to shared folders, and I have no shared folders assigned yet, so I'm going to go ahead and assign a new shared folder definition, and I need to go and find it on my machine. So we're going to go to my E drive and go to my folder that I'm calling shared and hit OK, and so there it is, and the name I'm going to give it is shared. Now I could specify this as a read-only share at this point in time, and what that means is that any virtual operating systems, when they access this, all they can do is read from it. In this case, I'm going to want to go ahead and write to it, so I'm not going to select read only. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. So now it is shared. Alright, now I'm going to say OK, and so far so good. And now I'm going to go ahead and start up my virtual machine. While that's booting, I'm going to go ahead and pause this recording so I don't waste too much time. Okay, the machine is now up and running, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. And here we come into the machine. And if you recall from the last session, my my VirtualBox additions are now running, and life is good. Oh dear, I just realized that I missed something. I forgot to change my mount point. So let me go ahead and shut this machine down immediately, simply because I don't want to deal with it at this point in time. Go ahead and choose shut down. While that's shutting down, I will pause this, and then I'll explain what I need to do.